Alright guys, welcome back. Northwegian Lockpicker here again. I've got another challenge lock I'm going to do from Average Picker. And this one is called the Easy Spike. If you can read that, there we go. Check out the bidding on that key, that's pretty wicked. Should be a pretty good challenging pick. Alright. Let's get her locked up here. Okay, 50 thousandths. Fits real nice. Looks like an easy set core. And a quick set 1 keyway. Alright, as usual, starting out with my Sparrows Tron. Let's see, is that angled pretty good or not? Let's give it a little more here for you. Give it a little bit of tilt too. Oh man. Must not have put the cap on the marker quite right. It kind of dried up on me. Kind of got a line there. All right. Okay, sorry about that. Clumsy, slippery fingers, dropping shit all over. All right. Zoom. Okay, center you up. Lock the focus in. All right. Let's see what we got here before I start picking away. This warding's pretty nice on this one. Real nice ledge on it. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's just 5 pins. Three, 4, 5. I think it's 5. All right. I'm almost definitely gonna need to switch picks part ways into this one. Starting on the back, feels like pin 5 is bound up pretty hard. All right, click on a ham. Pin 4, just a little mushy click, a little bit of movement on the core. Alright, now it feels like pin 1. Now, I got a click, I didn't do much. Okay, I think I'm on pin 3. Nice click. Pin 5, felt like a serration. Yeah, there's a bigger click out of 5, little movement on the core. 3. Okay. Let's see here. Pin 1. Getting feedback sitting on a spool. Let's see if I can get it to roll over without dropping everything else. Big set, but I don't know, might have overset him. Feels like he's stuck up there. I'm gonna back off a little bit here, see if I can drop him down. Okay, is pin 4 clicked up, 3 click. Pin 5 back there holding up again. Whole bunch of clicking on 5. Okay, big false set. Let's see where I'm at here now. Oh, there I touched something and she dropped out. I'm not even sure what I touched. It was somewhere in the middle there. Pin 3, I suspect. But some good high lows there, and pretty heavy, pretty deep spooling in there somewhere. All right, get my vise out of the way. And again with trying to break my bench with the knee. Okay. All right, take out my handy dandy little dental tool here. Let's see where we're focused. All right. Push the pin out of the way. Spin off the rear cap, shoot the pin out, just about lose it. That spring is really stuck in there. He doesn't want to come out. And I fear that if I don't pull him out when I least expect it, he'll decide to come shooting out of there. Or falling out, and then I lose him on the floor. He's got a little mangling going on there in the middle, holding him in there. Okay, key, shim. Oh, there's something kind of holding up there. Let's see if I can find the okay, I think I got the right. Sorry about the phone ringing there, guys. I don't know what's... Must have been something really important. Most likely scammers. Oh yeah, look at there. Pretty easy to overset those boys. Some pretty serious drill protection going on inside here. Unless it was, he plugged them with something. Well, that's interesting. I'll have to do a little research and find out what that is. I don't know if it's, it's either like a Construction King system or some kind of a anti-pick lock kind of thing. I don't know. Alright, here's the core. Don't have any nastiness in there. Yeah, let's see if I can zoom you in on the pins here. Yeah, those are nice. Look at those. Almost look like steel pins. But got a standard here, and standard here, and then these are some jagged little pointy spools with a little serration on them. Very nice. Okay, pull the shim out of here. Okay, get it going the right direction here. All right, pin 5. That's another pointy little jobber. What was it that he named this thing again? The Easy Spike. Yeah, hence the spike pins. Pin 4 is a spool. I'll go from the front again. Okay. Pin 1, we have a spool. Pin 2, we have a kind of a split spool with a, missing the camera. Kind of a split spool with a serration in there. And pin 3. Pin 3 is kind of a missing the camera again. Sorry guys. Mushroom with a pointed tip on it. Almost looks like a key pin, but okay, and inside the core, get you some light. If I can line it up here. Looks like pretty standard springs. Let's see a spring in 3. Maybe I rolled it out. I don't know. Otherwise, they look like steel pins and 1, 2, 3, or 4 and 5. But I'm gonna try dumping them out here and see if I get 5 springs. I do have 5 springs. Oh, yep. So this little guy goes with them. There's my other tweezers. There we go. Okay, so this was the little guy in 3. And then bigger, stiffer steel springs in 1, 2, and 4 and 5. All right. Very nice. That was a fun little lock. The Easy Spike by Average Picker. I'll put a link for his site in the description on there. And if you get a chance, go check out Average Picker. Nice challenge lock, man. Thanks. And thanks to AJ for sending them on. I appreciate it. I'm having a lot of fun with these guys. Thank you. Don't forget to stay legal. And if you don't respect the keyhole, don't stick your pick in it. Thanks.